Hey Choc Nation, it's your girl Choc and I am back with another video, and as y'all can see I'm feeling very cheetah girl-ish with these cheetah print blinged out nails, and of course I had to be extra and add some extra bling to them. So if you want to see how I turn this setup, keep on watching. Let's get into it. So this is everything that comes with the set. Of course, we have the nails, a small nail file, and the nail stickers, but y'all know I don't use them nail stickers. So we just gonna move that to the side real quick. And this is all the nails laid out. As you can see, it has cheetah print on some are just a plain nude color, and then there's about 6 of them that got some bling on them. So I'm just sizing my press-on nails, making sure they fit from side wall to side wall, and I have full coverage on my natural nail beds. So I'm just checking the nails out, checking the durability. They feel pretty durable at the tip, pretty flexible towards the cuticle, which is always good. So here's an example of a nail being too small. That nail is definitely too small for my nail bed. So I had to pick up another one because that one did not fully cover my nail bed, and neither did that one. I was like, dang, so if the bling don't even fit on my index finger, it's for sure not gonna fit my middle finger. So which fingers do the bling nails actually fit on in this set? So it turns out that the bling nails fit perfectly on my pinky finger and my ring finger. So I pretty much had to pick out of the cheetah print or the nude colors for my other fingers. And as you can see, the nude colored nails are small. So cheetah print it is for my first 3 fingers, and then I have the bling on my last 2 fingers. So I picked the nail that has half bling and half cheetah for my ring finger, and then my pinky, I picked the fully blinged out pinky. So this is what we're working with. But y'all know I gotta be a little extra. I need more bling. So I brought out my nail stand and my nail clay, and we about to put these nails up on this nail stand and add some more bling to them. So I love this nail stand. I got it from Temu, and I'll make sure I'll link it in the description of this video. It's really easy to use, as you guys can see. All you do is put a piece of clay up under the underside of the press-on nail and stick that onto the nail stand, and your nails are on the stand ready to be bedazzled. I got this pack of bedazzles from Hobby Lobby. It was only $3.99, which is definitely a good price. I love Hobby Lobby. They have so much crafty stuff in there. If you are a hobbyist or a crafty person, check to see if you have a Hobby Lobby in your area. You will be like a kid in a candy store with all the stuff that you can do. DIY everything is at Hobby Lobby. So I picked out the jewels that I'm going to be putting on the nails, and I'm going to be applying them with a tweezer and this nail glue that I got on Temu. And I'm going to be using my mini LED nail lamp to cure the nail glue. And that is from my Gel X kit that I got on Amazon, which I'll also link it in the description of the video just for fun in case anybody needs a good Gel X kit. So basically I put a decent amount of that glue, not too much, onto the press-on nail, and I stuck the jewel where I wanted it, and then I just sat that inside of the nail lamp and let the lamp cure it for 60 seconds. Once you press the power button, it automatically is set for 60 seconds. So when the light turns off, boom, just like that, it is cured. But let me just say, always when you are applying bling to your nails, always fully cure it under a large full power LED nail lamp. I'm just flash curing them because I'm pretty much applying the bling one by one. So this is a flash cure that we're using the small lamp for. And when I get done applying all the bling to all the nails, I'm definitely going to do a full cure under a full power UV LED nail lamp to fully cure that nail glue so that none of the bling comes off. So just to make sure I'm clear, I'm using the small nail lamp until I get all the jewels on where I want them. And then I'm going to go in with my large nail lamp to fully cure everything all together. And I just want y'all to know that I am officially working this tweezer. Like, the tweezer is tweezering. I had issues in the past with a different tweezer when applying jewels, but this tweezer is tweezering. And I am working that tweezer. So I'm super proud of myself. But check out the set. Doesn't it look so much better, like more in sync than it was before? I think so. So let's apply these nails. As you can see, I already applied the nails on my right hand, and now it's time to apply them on my left hand. But before I apply the nails, let me just show you guys how I prep my natural nails. I'm just using the nail file that came with the set, and I'm filing the shine from the top of my natural nail before I put the glue on so that it has a nice roughened surface for the glue to stick to. And then I applied a nice bubble of glue, not too much but not too little. You want to make sure you have enough so that when you stick that nail on, it sticks really well. So I lined the press-on nail up with my cuticle area and pressed down, and you want to hold that for 30 seconds. And make sure you press against your side walls as well, because you want to make sure that you have full coverage and that nail is not going to lift from the side. So when you stick that nail on, make sure that you press against your side walls and the middle of the nail as well. So while I am putting the rest of these nails on, I just want to say, hey, new subscribers, I see y'all. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the Choc Nation. I'm so glad to have you here. Thank you so much for subscribing. So let's go ahead and finish these nails up. Of course, a lot of press-on nails always have that little extra tip on the end. So I'm just using the nail file that came with the nails to file down that little extra tip and shape the tips up so they can be nice and crispy and straight. So now I brought out my full power UV LED nail lamp, which I will also link in the description of this video. I set it to 90 seconds so that I could cure everything all together, like I was telling you guys before. And the last thing that we need to do is apply our cuticle oil, because we do not condone crusty cuticles on this channel. Our cuticles got to be nice and fresh and moisturized, because a fresh set and fresh cuticles just go together hand in hand. And this is the finished look of the nails. Look how bomb these nails turned out. I could have took it a little bit further and applied a nice glossy top coat, but I decided to just leave them as is. We already did enough to them. This is one of those sets that you don't really have to do too much to. So yeah, the only thing about this set was that not enough nails had enough bling. So I did a little extra. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I loved doing it. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is dropping. I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.